So, day 2 of the drainage project. So I got the trench all dug out. I got a little bit of stone in the bottom. Still got to clean up all that mess on that side and get all that stuff somewhere else. Now we're running to a little bit of an issue because I can't get my equipment in from either side to put the stone into the trench. So we're going to have to do it all by hand. We're going to try to get as close as we can over here, and then shovel by shovel. Then we'll drop our pipe in, and I still don't know if I'm going to use landscape fabric or not, or the non-woven geotextile. I think I'm just going to have it be an open trench of the stone and maybe not use any geotextile fabric. But let's get back to work and we'll see what happens. So we got stone in the whole bottom of the trench all the way down to the KUBOTA down there. We're going to put in our perforated pipe, and then we'll put some stone on top of it, backfill over the top, and hopefully it fixes our drainage issue. Let's get to work. Alright, so we got our perforated pipe. Let's open her up. Had this stuff sitting around so long, there's probably some chipmunk nests in the pipe. So let's see what we get to work with. Oh, I can hear them. And there's one right there. There's a mouse coming out of his house. There's another one. 2, 3, 4, 5. So we got 3/4 of the drain filled in. I tracked that in with the Kubota to try to seal it up because we're supposed to get rain for 3-4 days next week. So hopefully it does what it's supposed to do. I'll get back in that area over there, finish it up. It's a little wet, so I'll let that dry out after the 3 or 4 days of rain, and we'll finish up the trench. So hopefully it works like I intended. So we got the whole drainage project all buttoned up, ready to go. We had a bunch of rain, so the drain is doing what it's supposed to. It's pulling all the water out of the ground. This whole area is nice and dry now. It goes back to that other drainage ditch that runs all the way down here around the carport. So we should be in good shape. Don't forget to like and subscribe. On to the next project.